everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So back here at the other job site, because finished in hell. So anyways, back here, this is it looks a little bit different than last time you saw it. Well, actually, maybe you saw it like a couple days ago. Before that, it was just concrete floors and rafters. But now there's a whole bunch of stuff in here. This is a tire repurposing factory. So they basically bring in semi-truck tires, shave them down, and then repurpose them with new tread. So today I was working on these two plugs right here. Didn't work a full day. Went to the urgent care again to get checked out for my sore throat that I've had for 5 days. I don't know if I've mentioned that last video, but I checked out my throat last night, and there's like, it looks like this white spot. It looks like kind of like a hole on my tonsil, or like my tonsil split wide open. It's been really painful to swallow for 5 days, so I went to get that checked out. So I didn't work a full day, but anyways, piping down from the ceiling that was already there, I just did an offset and then a back-to-back 90, and then made up these plugs right here, and drilling through this 1/2-inch steel right here. That was a lot better than I thought. Had some nice drill bits, and then also some nice self-tapping screws, so actually went a lot better than I thought. I was pretty much dreading that, but I drilled and screwed in each of the boxes once, and then the struts once, so I had to drill through the 1/2-inch steel 4 times. So pretty much maxed out right here at 10 feet going across the floating across to the strut on each side, and then I did another quadplex on the other side. So orange is the computer circuit, and then I don't know what the white circuit is, just called the dirty circuit, so a regular circuit, but the computer circuit's like computers only, so it doesn't get affected or anything like that with other heavy duty equipment, power tools or anything like that, I assume. So anyways, worked on those. I kept messing up on this back-to-back 90 because I forgot how to do it, so I messed up like 4 or 5 times, so that was annoying. Finally got it though. I was going from outside of 90 or outside of pipe to inside of 90, but to get the right measurement you have to do outside of pipe to outside of pipe when you do a back-to-back 90 and bend the same direction. So I'd probably like to do a video about that someday, just to help you guys out if that's something that you guys struggle with or want to know some tips on while it's still fresh in my mind. I think that would be a great video. So maybe I could do that sometime. But anyways, basically just worked on these 2 things all day, just piping this, mounting the boxes and the strut, and then making up these plugs. So a nice easy day. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. I'm back there at that job site again on Monday, so we'll see what else is left. I think they're kind of wrapping up a little bit, but we'll see. Might start the new job site at the end of the week or next week. So stay tuned for that. But the new job site, like I said, is like no photo/video, so it's like a top secret something, so I can't really share anything, so I don't know what I'm gonna do for videos for several months while I'm at that job site. So we'll see when that comes, but anyways, that's gonna do it. Thanks for watching. Like I said, don't forget to check out the giveaway video if you want to be entered for that. It should be my last video or one of the last 2 videos on my channel, doing a $50 giveaway on Cash App/PayPal. But as always, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. I would appreciate it. Love to see you guys back in the next video, and it would help the channel grow. Check the description down below for anything like social medias, video playlist, and my second YouTube channel that I just made for gaming and other videos, because I'm basically just trying to keep this to electrical videos on this channel as much as possible, and then hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Have an awesome weekend. Peace out.